you can see. It's the side mount when the floating ball up. Yeah, it will stop the water. Can you see it? Yeah, this one is the floating board. Also a floating board. And when there's no water here, it will be automatically filling the water in the tank. And also when it's the full water, yes, it will be connected and stop the water inside the tank, right? So it is how to control the water on off. When you install the vertical or side mount in the tank, it's okay, you can see. Yes, for the high temperature use, we will suggest that you can choose the stainless steel materials, and when it is used in normal temperature, maybe you can choose the practice one is okay, because it is much economical than the stainless steel material.